Shire, say hi to the vlog. But Shire is tired. We're supposed to have gone hours ago.
But I like, my hair, guys, like, this is condition of hot, of heat.
Crazy business. We're supposed to have gone like at 7 in the morning. The time right now is what?
The time is 14:32.
2 o'clock basically.
We're going to reach at 6 o'clock.
Probably in 4:20, then we still have to proceed to the farm, which is like 70 plus kilometers outside. Marameheto, welcome to the farm vlog.
Even if I move that side, I'm still there.
It is. You wanna say hi? Come say hi. Don't be shy. Come stand in the mirror. You are alive. What of the day?
Hello. We listen, but we don't judge.
Thank you, Bo.
You take out the man.
Make you take over. Huh?
I'll cover you.
I'll cover you. I'm such a power racer.
Bona pambi,
Little bathroom break. You guys can see my eyes. I look tired. Because I am. But fit check. Go away. Your wedding is Konako Kamatapati.
Unde?
Ove.
You're getting married for what is your father's village? Kapandaroma.
P.
Kamatapati.
Now.
Kapandaroma.
Kamatamaremba.
America Shinene. Who's from Shinene?
Toto.
He's from Shinene. Who's from Shinene? He's.
Oh, there's no deep down now.
I'm a chico Muna Nona.
Attention.
Eh?
Oh,
The subscribers will even start subscribing.
A will always open gates, so I never have to. Watching now close. Why you so stressed? Oh, but
Oh, why?
Engo. Man, guys, I'm raising a gentleman. Dangiri wadu. Yeah. Come, Dwanchi. Darcy. Hey. So A is going to go hotspot me. Maragusha, we have to go Komanga. It's where the network catches. Huh? Oh. There he is looking for network. So I can hotspot Mobundu. Jobala dance fan. So whoa.
3 sticks means that.
Whoa. Eh? Whoa. Yeah, give it.
3 sticks is
These are like newborn cow vickies. They were born last week. So I wouldn't really say they're newborn. But yeah, that's why they're here. Worry.
Baby.
What baby?
Are you fine?
Are you matwini? Another I'm here. Never go to Pango. Oh. Yani. Baadhi yenu matungu rairi. Yeah, mukatungu yenu.
Adios.
He is such a bully. This is the math proof. Korisa vandumba yakutu.
Segi.
So the plus chapiache. Ri. So guys, this is the end of today. I didn't even say what, but mine. So the footage of us, the videos of us walking with Ri and Aya that was earlier today. This is the end of today. We'll take it up again tomorrow. It's Saturday and it's cleaning day. I'm a bit more busier tomorrow because it's my day to do work. So yeah. See you tomorrow. Voila. Victor in the morning, small. And tomorrow we start with gospel because tomorrow is Sunday. Guys. What do I do? Do Tige Ruya Kandi Waukora Wambata Pepe Konti Junika Nika Piakas Peri Mukwambi Tuko Chantal Haube So Teni Karamata, Teni Zawaru Kero, Keri sweetness pura. Atende. Yeah. Oshukuru wobu mongende, onge nuko kuru. Anuko karu no. Shakti Udera. I'm a poker. Let's see. So we're going to do Kunamo. We're in the garden. As we are in the garden. I'm your lighting, I'm the moon, I'll give you everything. Moti mbapa mutungo. Mbapa sitini. Boy, fukutani. Navi snacks. Let me show you guys. It's called a what?
Flowing irrigation.
Flowing out there?
Irrigation.
Aggregation.
Irrigation.
It's fine. Agriculture. So the water must go all the way there.
But we need more like needs me up to date. Like there are 19 water beds. I call it beds.
There are water?
19 beds. But here all of here, madam gunana.
About Lemune Vipi Vako to last holiday we had most.
No, right? Those you we are actually late. That's the thing.
In Benipinique.
Come check.
Agricultural tour with Avi here, my dear. Oh no. Imbi go imbi. Tara.
No, there's nothing here.
Apehemba kusha.
Like, come check. There's nothing here.
Oh, guys, it's nothing. I'm tripping.
So here, this is chaos. It's chaos. They're coming to unplan it and put it here. Okay, like. No, first you have to play inside here. Then when it's like 2 weeks or a few weeks, then you take it out and you play it there. Bakuli! Mahinga go the bawin. Tangwan. Bawin ba tangwan.
This is carrots. This is spinach and that's onions.
Yeah.
See, what to go? Nay, guys, we're in the. I almost said in the farm. In the garden. Yeah. We're busy planting. Remember the carrot thing I told you guys about? Putting that carrot, spinach, and onions here. That's what we're basically doing right now. There's your. Guys, so now we're playing Uma. And I'm tired. I jumped a few shantikis. Quippy.
So
Strictly water.
strictly for in and out. You are playing panga. No. Yes.
I mean,
Because that is so.
it's because Moya Robert.
Apun. Ni dito pa Thomas.
What's happening?
That's over in and out. Yay! So guys, we're gonna do a farm tour. We're gonna do a farm tour. Tour.
This graphic matiti brukan dress.
Umasumaza kukiri kwa vile. Till the sunrise. Sunrise. Dear children.
Cuma saja aku record ni chat ni. Habis semua saya chat.
Asha easy.
It's boring what GT full on me.
Wow, not my feet.
It's a story to ken.
Meet Mbowa guys. Reintroduce her Ghana.
What must I say? Hi guys, I'm Boa. Sup?
So guys, I think that's it for today. Porida. Oh, porida.
Ya no va poverty cake con the little be apple chapela crayon.
Oh yes, I think this is it for today. So now we're just gonna go home, bath, have dinner, talk stories till like 2 in the morning.
That's a botch.
We did it the last time, Vedambo and I, in Shari. You guys sleep early. But yeah, so that's it. I'm ending today here.
Pariba sonke.
Isha, bye.
Bye. Pasonke. Should I say bye?
Yeah, say bye.
Seki.
Seki.
Patata.
This is another day. Good morning, guys. I think this is toch day 3. But we're going to the Matsuko Shundato to go milk the cows. I'm not gonna go milk, I'm just gonna record for you guys to see. I'll milk another day when I'm not far, because my uncle might come and I don't want him to see me touching his cows. Open the gates. Shut down, baby. Anjing. So yeah.